sharpen your knives using two batteries. Here I have a knife that, as you can see, no longer cuts well when we do the paper test. You'll need 600 grit sandpaper. What you're going to do is take one of the batteries and place it on the edge of the sandpaper. After tracing its shape, you'll cut a piece approximately 20 centimeters long vertically right at the end of the battery. Now, take a strong adhesive or liquid silicone and place a thin layer on the back edge of the sandpaper, the side opposite the grain. Begin wrapping the battery pack with the sandpaper carefully, making sure it's firm and bubble-free. As you roll the sandpaper over the battery pack, continue applying glue in a controlled manner until you've completely covered it from the edge to the center. Repeat the exact same procedure on the other end of the sandpaper with the second battery pack, wrapping it in the same way. When you are done, both batteries will be joined by this strip of sandpaper in the center, creating a sort of sharpening arc. Next, take a piece of wood, a flat board, or any sturdy object to serve as a base. Apply a little more glue to the bottom of the sandpaper right where the batteries are placed. Glue this assembly firmly onto the base. Once dry, spray a little water on the sandpaper. This is important because it helps reduce frictional heat and makes it easier to sharpen without damaging the blade. With this simple technique, you'll have created a highly functional homemade sharpener. By passing the knife through the center of the knife between the two sandpaper-coated blades, the edge will begin to recover with each smooth stroke. After several strokes, you'll notice a noticeable change. When you repeat the cutting test, you see how the knife now glides easily through paper or food, proving it has regained its original cutting ability.